Here is a clean, well-organized script version of the conversation between the host, presumably Dr. Andrew Huberman, and Dr. David Burson, with speaker labels and structured sections for clarity. You can use this as a voiceover, faceless video, or educational script. Podcast script Understanding Vision and Circadian Rhythms. Guest, Dr. David Burson, Professor of Medical Science, Neurobiology and Ophthalmology at Brown University. Dr. Andrew Huberman. Dr. David Burson is one of the most respected names in neuroscience. His lab discovered the cells in your eyes that set your circadian rhythms. Those are the intrinsically photosensitive melanopsin cells. Today, he takes us on a journey through the nervous system, from how we see to how light affects sleep and internal timing. By the end of this, you'll know more about how your nervous system works than most neuroscientists. How do we see? What happens when a photon of light hits the eye? The visual experience is created in the brain, but it's triggered by light entering the eye. The retina acts like a camera, detecting and processing light before passing the signal to the brain via ganglion cells. These ganglion cells are the main messengers between the eye and brain. How we see color. How do we perceive colors like red, green, and blue? Light is just electromagnetic radiation with different wavelengths. We have 3 types of cone photoreceptors, each tuned to a specific range of wavelengths. Your brain compares the signals from these cones to generate your perception of color. So what you see as golden hour at sunset, that's your brain interpreting light composition. Do we all see the same colors? Is my red the same as your red? Philosophically, we can't be sure. But biologically, most humans have nearly identical mechanisms for color perception, so it's very likely we see colors similarly, though perception itself is subjective. How animals see. Do animals see like us? Not exactly. Most mammals, like dogs and cats, have only 2 types of cones, so their color vision is limited. A dog's world looks more like a red-green colorblind person's world, but they function just fine. Bah! We also have rods, another type of photoreceptor, that are used in dim light. They don't detect color, but they help us see when it's dark, like on a moonless night. The fly eye in your eye. What's this fly eye you once mentioned? We discovered melanopsin cells, light-sensitive cells in a totally unexpected location, the ganglion cell layer, not the photoreceptor layer. These cells don't help you see objects, but they help your body detect brightness. And curiously, their light response pathway resembles that of insects, like flies, hence a bit of fly eye in your eye. Melanopsin cells do. What are these melanopsin cells actually doing? They measure brightness levels over time, not shapes or edges. That information goes to parts of your brain responsible for setting your circadian clock. Think of it as your brain asking, is it daylight or not? Why that matters. Circadian rhythms. Why does the brain need to know if it's daylight? Your brain has a master clock, and so do most cells in your body. They keep time on a 24-hour rhythm. But these clocks can drift. So your brain needs light as a reference point to reset itself daily. That's what these melanopsin cells help do, especially important when you experience jet lag or stay indoors all day. No light, no clock reset.